Feeling sluggish and low on energy? You're not alone. Today, I'm sharing some powerful tips to help you become more energetic and feel your best every day. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for energy. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and keep your bedroom cool and dark. A good night's sleep helps your body repair and rejuvenate, making you feel more refreshed in the morning. Dehydration can make you feel tired and sluggish. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 cups of water daily, more if you're active. Keep a water bottle with you and take sips throughout the day. Water helps with bodily functions, and being hydrated can make a big difference in your energy levels. What you eat directly affects your energy levels. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid sugary snacks and processed foods, as they can lead to energy crashes. Include energy-boosting foods like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens in your meals. Eating small, frequent meals can help maintain energy levels throughout the day. Don't forget the importance of vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. Exercise is a fantastic way to boost your energy. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Activities like walking, jogging, yoga, or even dancing can make a huge difference. Different types of exercise, such as cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises, offer various benefits. Exercise releases endorphins, improving mood and energy levels. Stay motivated by finding a workout buddy or setting small, achievable goals. If you have a desk job, make it a point to take short breaks and move around. Stand up, stretch, or take a quick walk. This can help prevent fatigue and keep your energy levels up. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique can help you take regular breaks. Desk exercises and stretches can improve circulation and reduce muscle tension. Chronic stress can drain your energy. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies you enjoy. The impact of stress on the body and energy levels can be significant. Simple stress relief techniques like progressive muscle relaxation or guided imagery can help. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. While caffeine can give you a temporary boost, too much can lead to energy crashes. Similarly, alcohol can interfere with your sleep and overall energy. Moderation is key. Understand the effects of caffeine on the nervous system and how it can disrupt sleep patterns. Learn how alcohol affects the quality of sleep and energy levels the next day. Consider alternatives to caffeine, like herbal teas or natural energy drinks. Spending time with friends and loved ones can boost your mood and energy. Social interactions can be invigorating and help you feel more connected and supported. Psychological benefits of socializing include reduced feelings of loneliness and an increased sense of belonging. Engage in social activities like joining a club, attending events, or simply scheduling regular catch-ups with friends and family. By making these simple but powerful changes, you can significantly boost your energy levels and improve your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Start implementing these tips today and feel the difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.